Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on how Hugh builds a teardrop camper on a Harbor Freight trailer. I'm going to start working on the electrical. It's going to be very simple. I'm just going to have a battery, a solar panel, excuse me, a solar panel, a fan, and 2 lights. So I'm going to start running some wires. Let me show you how I'm going to try to do that. Okay, so I have this plastic box. I'm going to try to cut it down a little bit and mount it over here. And that'll be the first thing I'm going to do. So let's see if I can get that. Okay, so since this was designed for using on 2x4s and I'm not using 2x4s, I'm going to cut off some of the tabs and then drill a couple of holes in it, screw it to the side. So try it with the angle grinder, see how that goes. Okay, I'm gonna go check and see if that fits, and then I'll drill a couple of holes, so give me just a second. Okay, it fits, so I'm gonna try drilling just a couple little holes in it so I can mount it to the stud. So okay, let's change bits. Drive a couple screws. Switch plate's going to mount like that somehow. Still got to figure out exactly how I'm going to do that. But it's going to mount in there. And then, okay. Ah, crap. Should have drilled a hole in the top to bring wires in. It's definitely easier to do it right the first time. But there those are. And that switch will go there. Okay. Okay, I have some 12 gauge stranded wire and a cable. So I'm going to run the first piece from over here where the battery is going to be. And so it'll come up and run like across here and across there. And why is my dog barking at me? Amazon must have left the package. She's letting me know. Let me go check that. Well, she was absolutely right. Something did come from Amazon, so let's go ahead and open it up and see if it's a trailer part. Well, it certainly is. It's the battery hold down tray. So we'll be needing that. We're on that part of the project. So good job, Rossi. At this point, it's better to leave a little too long than not long enough. So you don't want to have to replace the whole piece because it's too short. So go ahead and leave plenty. So battery's going to go here. The controller is going to go on a little shelf above it. That should be plenty. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it there. Okay. Okay, I have to get from this cavity into one that's going to be right here, okay, with the wire. So I'm going to have to notch this somehow. So, without damaging any wires. I have an idea. I'm going to try it over the edge in case I go too far so I don't damage other wires. Okay, so we got that. Got that. That should work. Okay, this wire will go to the battery and the controller for the solar. It'll go along this edge, through that wall, over to that whole big bunch. And I'm just going to go ahead and splice it all together behind the switch, in the switch box. So it's all going to go in there. It should fit. And then 3 wires go up. 2 of them are going to go to the center there for the dome light and the porch light. The last one will go right over to up here with a little bit extra on it for the fan that'll go in the center. So that's where we are right now.